Congratulations on starting your AlignerCo treatment. The first step is taking your teeth impressions so AlignerCo can fabricate your aligners. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to take impressions that will yield the best possible results. Please watch the entire video before taking your impressions. AlignerCo requires good teeth impressions in order to fabricate perfect aligners for your treatment. If the impressions we receive are not workable, you'll need to buy an additional impression kit at an additional cost to make new teeth impressions. To prevent this, we recommend you make only one impression of each arch initially and send us pictures of the taken impression so we can give you feedback. This small step will save you in both cash and the time of having to redo your impressions. You can send your pictures to us via email at team@AlignerCo.com or to your assigned smile specialist. Call us with any questions, comments, or concerns at 877-840-1561. Before taking your dental impressions, it's critical to keep track of time while taking your impressions, so you can use your cell phone clock or a timer app for that. Make sure your hands are very clean and your teeth are brushed before you begin. You need to take 2 upper and 2 lower impressions of your teeth, so stand in front of a mirror to help in this process. Check if the trays fit in your mouth before taking impressions. The tray should capture all of your teeth, including back molars, and tray must not be too tight that your teeth scratch the walls of the tray. If the trays upper and lower do not fit, please email us to get the proper size trays. Okay, let's get started taking impressions. First, take 1 colored putty, 1 white putty, and mix them together until they blend well into one color without any streaks. Be sure to mix it in less than a minute, preferably 30 seconds. Now blend the blended putty between your palms and fold it into a sausage shape. Then, fill the tray with the putty, making sure the putty covers the entire tray and its edges. Spend no more than 15 seconds to fix the sausage in the tray. Now it's time to take an impression. Place the impression tray in your mouth while aiming the center of the tray and use your fingers to press the tray into your teeth. You need to make sure the putty reaches your gums so the gum line will be captured. Wait 4.5 minutes, then remove the tray from your mouth by pulling it straight off. Do not remove the completed impression tray from the plastic tray. Repeat the process to produce a total of 2 upper and 2 lower impressions. Email us the pictures of taken impressions for our approval before mailing the impressions back to AlignerCo. After approval on your impressions, place the tray into the impression kit box and mail it back to us using the prepaid shipping label. Here's what you're going for when taking your impressions. Impression area must be covered with the putty so the tray is not visible. Are evenly pressed throughout. And capture entire area of teeth. What you want to avoid is impressions with back molars not captured, that have been pressed more than once, that show uneven pressure, if the tray was removed too early, or used putty that was not completely mixed. We'll need pictures of your teeth to create a treatment preview. Use the cheek retractor from the kit to take 5 pictures of your teeth. Front view with teeth clenched, right side view, left side view, top view, bottom view. After we receive your impressions by mail, it takes about 10 working days to email you the prescribed treatment plan. After you approve the treatment plan, it takes about 14 to 17 business days to fabricate your aligners. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started taking those impressions.